Have you ever stared at your windows wondering how you're supposed to install blinds without making permanent holes in your walls, especially if you're renting or have those tricky tilt and turn windows that seem impossible to cover? What if I told you there's a revolutionary type of blind that sticks directly to your window glass, installs in about 5 minutes, and requires absolutely zero drilling or damage to your home? These aren't your typical window blinds. They're called stick-on cellular blinds, and they're solving problems that homeowners and renters have struggled with for decades. The secret is in the honeycomb design that not only looks modern and sleek, but also actually traps air inside tiny pockets to insulate your windows naturally. This means your home stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer, which translates directly into lower energy bills throughout the year. Plus, they're completely cordless with no dangerous chains hanging down, making them genuinely safe for homes with kids and pets. You get 2 main options depending on which room you're covering and what you need. The CosiSHADE blinds are light filtering, which means they let soft natural light flow into your room while still giving you privacy during the day, perfect for living rooms, kitchens, and home offices where you want that bright, welcoming atmosphere. Then there's the Cozy Block Blackout option, ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or media rooms. Both types come in stunning colors ranging from classic white and ivory to sophisticated grays, navy, taupe, and even black, so you can match any decorating style. What makes these blinds truly different is how customizable and flexible they are compared to traditional blinds. You can choose white, anthracite gray, or black hardware to perfectly match your window frames for that seamless professional look. You can position the blind anywhere on your window, top down, bottom up, or right in the middle, giving you precise control over light and privacy throughout the day. Because they attach directly to the glass with professional-grade adhesive, they work beautifully on tilt and turn windows, bifold doors, French doors, and standard windows without interfering with how your windows operate. Installation is remarkably straightforward, which is why customers report an average installation time of just 5 minutes per window. There's no worrying about drilling into electrical wires, no mess from power tools, and no permanent damage to your walls or window frames. The adhesive is engineered to hold strong for years, but removes cleanly when you're ready to move or redecorate, making it absolutely perfect for rental properties where you can't make permanent changes. Every blind is custom made in the UK to your exact window measurements by skilled British manufacturers, ensuring a perfect fit and supporting small family-run businesses from Ayrshire to Essex. Behind these innovative blinds is Newblinds, a company that's been pioneering online blind sales since 1999 as the UK's very first online blinds retailer. They're a family business with over 46 years of experience in the window covering industry, and their expertise shows in every detail of these products. They've worked on major projects like the London Olympics Copper Box Arena and have earned recognition as a SOMFY accredited retailer for motorized blind systems, so you know you're dealing with real industry experts who understand quality and performance. If you want to transform your windows without the drilling, mess, or commitment of traditional blinds, head over to newblinds.co.uk to explore the complete range of stick-on cellular blinds in all available colors and styles. You can order free fabric samples to see and feel the quality in your own home before you buy, and they offer free delivery on orders over £150 plus flexible payment options through Klarna. Visit newblinds.co.uk today to get expert advice, custom measurements, and the perfect blinds for your unique windows.